Guys, it's me Derek. Today we'll be talking about Brilliant Animals Part 2. I know you guys have seen my previous video, Brilliant Animals Part 1. This is the Part 2 version. One on this list is the chimpanzee. The chimpanzee, also known as the common chimpanzee or the robust chimpanzee or simply chimp, is a species of great ape native to the forest and savanna of tropical Africa. It has 4 confirmed subspecies and a 5th proposed subspecies. The chimpanzee and the closely related bonobo are classified in the genus Pan. 2 is the pigeon. Pigeons are considered to be one of the most intelligent birds on the planet and able to undertake tasks previously thought to be the sole preserve of human and primates. The pigeon can also recognize all 26 letters of the English language as well as being able to theorize. Wow, that is one smart bird. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share, turn on all the notifications and subscribe. See you later everybody.